Guys, do you want to know how to install Python libraries for data science in your system? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you installation of top 5 Python libraries for data science. So let's start the video. So guys, first of all, you have to install Python in your system. So for that, I have created separate video. The link is in description box, or you can click on I button for watching that video. So guys, here I have started my command prompt and I'm simply showing you what Python version I'm having. So I have typed Python space hyphen version, and you can see guys, it's showing me my Python version. And for installing any library, you require pip. So here I'm showing you pip version also. So pip space hyphen version is going to show you version of pip. And guys, here I have simply typed command pip space list just to show you what libraries I'm having on my system. So here guys, you can see right now I don't have any library installed in my system. It's showing only pip, no other library like NumPy, Pandas and all that. Also guys, I'm just starting my IDLE and here I'm typing import and some of the library name just to show you that I don't have any library installed on my system. So here I have typed import NumPy or import Pandas. You can take any Python, you can take any data science library. So here it's showing me error that no module name found. That means the library is not there. So guys, now let's begin with the installation. So what command we have to use? Here you have to type one command, pip space install space library name. So here first of all I will be installing NumPy. So I'm typing pip space install space NumPy and hit enter guys, and you can see the installation has been started and it's done. Okay, now let's move to the second library. Now I will be installing Pandas. So for that I will be typing again pip space install space Pandas, and you can see guys, the installation has started. It takes a little time, so the installation is done guys. Now the next library I will be installing with the next library I'm going to install Matplotlib. So here I'm simply typing pip space install space Matplotlib. After that guys, I'm going to install Seaborn library. So again I'm going to type pip space install space Seaborn, and here the installation is done. The last library for data science in Python is SciPy. So here I'm going to type pip space install space SciPy, and you can see guys, again I'm getting message successfully installed. So guys, this way you can install any of the Python library on your system. So I hope guys this video has really helped you. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any queries guys, you can put in comment box, or you can send me your queries on my Instagram also. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, share my videos to your friend if you really like my video. And guys, I have shared my social media link in description box. You can join me or follow me. I'm sharing lots of notes on my Telegram channel, that too freely. You can join my Telegram channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notification. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.